Welcome to the CryptoNest. Just wanna check here the hot mining. What was my count here? Okay, so we're saying this could have been an A, a B, and a C. Within the C wave, seriously, 5 waves up. So this would be the C now. Working on it. And here possibly what did I do? I combined the wave 1 and 3 to the wave 4. So let me add the 0.382 that usually is the first target. Because it was so near the previous top of the third wave, I remove it. So that's why I put the 0.5 as well. Okay. So that was great. And you can see that we did reach the 0.5 fib extension. And yeah, it's looking very, very good. Ideally, 82.55 would be a great level. Just gonna go on the 4 hours now and let me check it out here. So we had, just wanna double check. That's the A. I wanna put that more on the right side. Going to add the 1. And okay, so just wanna move things around a little bit. All right, so the idea is that, well, we don't know, right? This is an ABC. Now, it is very shallow for a fourth wave. It is possible this was it. But as well, it could be that this was just an A. Once again, this is an ABC for the wave B in yellow. And after that, we're going to have 5 wave down and reach a lower low level, possibly the MA50, or perhaps ideally the 0.32, 3904. That would be a drastic drop. Now, this is the resistance now, right? For this B wave. B wave can go even higher. You know, we can only see, I can just only add levels and see if price does react to that level. Did we go to the $80? I think we did we? We double check here. High 79.74. So pretty much close. And it's not done yet, looks like, right? Well, to me, no matter what happens, am I missing something here? In the case that this was the fourth wave, I want to prepare myself if this was a 1, 2, and now this is the third wave. So did I do that here? No, that's just the fib retracement. Okay, so I want to do that now. I'm going to say, what if the low here was the beginning of the wave 1, allegedly. I'm going to put very on the right side. And this was the B. Let's see if we get something. Yeah, not a bad though. Do I have a right count? I don't. Should do that. I'm going to change maybe the color to blue. I'm going to move it. I need to be a little bit more. I'm going to put it smaller like that. Okay, so now I'm going to label things. So possible wave 1 in blue. This wave 2. Actually, I have the... So this would be the third wave. Then after that, the fourth and the fifth. This is another scenario that we could reach. Since we have 2 labels in blue, I think maybe I should reconsider though. Let me put it in green then. Not green we already have, yellow we already have. Seriously, I start to run out of colors. Okay, yeah, that's better. There you go. Okay, so for a moment, we did go a little bit higher than the 1.38 fib extension, which was 7609. So the next target, if this could reach the 1.618, would be great. And that's 8262. And here, for this fifth wave, I'm sorry about that. We do have micro counting here for this last leg of the C wave project, possibly. That, by the way, a third wave, it's a 5-way up, right? So micro counting on that. Also, we go very close, 85.55. I'm going to start to consider taking some profits pretty much soon. I'm going to wait maybe a little bit more, but it's not a bad idea to take profits. In my opinion, then, once again, everybody is master of his tradings, its strategies, so there you go. Okay, so now you know pretty much what level to look. I'm looking at 82.55. I'm actually going to go on the 5 minutes now. I'm going to put, so we said 82. You know what? Before I do that, let's go on the 1 hour. I'm going to check the VRVP now and see if there is something. Let me go on the 8 hours now. Let's see here. We don't have much of. Let's see if I have something more. Not really. Okay, so I don't have any, strong indication or, a peak at one certain level that price maybe could trigger and like a resistance, right? So we do have the previous resistance here, which is 84, but we're not looking at those levels for a moment. So this is why it's important sometimes to zoom out and see even in the previous cycle, something like that, or in the bear market, or previous bull market, if we had a top resistance. For the moment, we're still a little bit low, so we're mixing a few dollars for the moment. Let's focus on that. I don't know what happened there. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the 5 minutes. And to me, honestly, $82, even 81, let me see here. I'm going to say 81.80. For me, I find it's a good level. So I want to put an alarm and message. Start taking profits. Okay, so this is me. Once again, you guys need to do your own analysis. Every finance is different. My purchase also is different price. So this is why we need to, pretty much not do a copycat of what I'm doing, because we're very different. I have a different strategy, maybe short-term, mid-term, long-term. And a lot of time people that they just copy other people trade, then they don't necessarily end up to be profitable. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.